It's a common saying that it takes money to make money, and there is some truth to this. But when you are just starting out and you do not have a budget, you can actually start making money without any out-of-pocket expense. But you would need to invest time and effort to market and advertise. Today, in this video, we are sharing possible methods and techniques on how to make money without money. First, blogging is the best way to make money. It requires minimal capital to invest. If you know the power of words and possess good writing skills, then you can use your writing potential to create a group of readers and monetize it for your benefit. You can post your blog on a Blogger or in WordPress. Free blogging sites can be used for the purpose, or you can create your own domain and post your blogs. Choose an affiliate program to promote. Affiliate marketing is very popular in terms of making money. With it, someone sells a product like an ebook, a nutritional product, or making money from home system, and you promote it. If you are able to sell the product, you get a percentage commission. Two of the more popular affiliate programs are clickbank.com and commissionjunction.com. From there, you can choose what product you want to sell depending on your passion or knowledge. You can write any ebook on any niche category and publish it on ebook selling sites to generate extra profit for lifetime. Find out your options. There are so many different options available for earning money these days. The only way you will be able to find the one that fits you the best is to know what your options are. You need to start a search for money-making opportunities and then take time to learn what the choices are. Some of the different choices will be right for you, and others will not be. By learning what your choices are, you can eliminate the ones that are completely wrong for you. That way you can concentrate on the ideas that you are interested in. Also known as network marketing, or MLM, provides an opportunity to create a lifestyle that most only dream of. The opportunity to add meaning to other people's lives, be your own boss, have enough time to enjoy the money you make, and create financial security. MLM is a way for business to leverage the power of word-of-mouth advertising. Listen, MLM is only for those people who love to meet new people, want to talk and have good communication, or want to build new skills. If you are lazy, then MLM is not for you. Just go for any online business idea that required basic equipment and internet connection. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching this video.